Hey friends, if you wish to find and use Notepad on Windows, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you something very interesting about it. Search Notepad in the Windows search bar and open Notepad. But the Notepad that we are using now after recent updates is not the same as the older Notepad where you could only enter data. You could not even change the font, you couldn't change the size of the font, you could only create notepad files or exe files, and you could create files that could be used for command lines and programming. But this one is different. Click on the symbol here and you can change the font, you can change its size, you can change the theme, you can change the word wrap, you can change the formatting. So basically this is a combined option for both WordPad and Notepad. You can still save files as exe files or notepad txt files, but you also have better options. Now let me show you. Okay, you can still save files as txt files because see, the WordPad files were not required, the RTF files were not required, so you can still save them as txt or any other extension which is supported, but you have many more options to change the formatting. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.